We begin our journey by selecting a spacious, empty glass bowl as the foundation of our mini Zen garden. Next, we carefully pour fine white sand into the bowl, creating a blank canvas awaiting our creative touch. With an eye for balance and natural beauty, we arrange small pebbles and larger rocks on the sand, imitating the tranquility of natural landscapes. A miniature wooden rake is introduced, inviting us to create serene patterns in the sand, resembling the ripples of a calm sea. To bring life and colour to our Zen garden, we incorporate small succulent plants, contrasting beautifully against the white sand. A fine mist gently waters our succulents, ensuring they thrive without disturbing the carefully crafted sand patterns beneath. Our miniature Zen garden finds its perfect spot on a minimalist desk near the window, where natural light enhances its tranquil beauty.